It is a cold afternoon, and I want to be indoors. I have been walking around the city for an hour. The wind has been blowing the yellow leaves everywhere. I see a small wooden sign ahead. It must be the old bookstore I am looking for. The windows are being hit by the cold wind. I pull the heavy door handle to step inside. A small bell rings, and it feels good to be out of the cold. The smell of old paper has always been my favorite. The shop is very quiet and peaceful today. Soft, classical music is being played in the background. I am being careful not to step on the squeaky floorboards. There are thousands of books waiting to be read. I walk down a narrow aisle of wooden shelves. I have been searching for a specific mystery novel. My friend told me it would be on the second floor. Some dusty books are being reorganized by a worker. I love being surrounded by so many stories. I finally find the fiction section at the back of the room. I look at the top shelf, but it is too high. I have been trying to find the author's name. An attendant walks up to me with a kind smile.
Hello, have you been finding everything okay?
Hi, I have been looking for The Silent Forest.
Ah, that book is being restocked right now.
Oh, what a shame. Will it be available soon?
Yes, a new box is being opened in the back. I can go get a copy for you if you don't mind waiting.
I don't mind at all. I will be right here.
I wait patiently while the book is being brought to me. I have been saving my money to buy this beautiful hardcover edition.
Here you go. It has been a very popular choice this week.
Thank you for being so helpful.
I tap my card on the machine and the payment is approved. The receipt is being printed slowly.
Have a great day and enjoy the reading.
Before leaving, I see a small reading nook by the window. I decide to sit down and be cozy for a little while. The brown paper has been carefully untied. I open the first page, being gentle with the crisp paper. The story seems to be very captivating already. I have been reading the first chapter for 20 minutes. Outside, the streetlights are being turned on. It is starting to be dark outside. I am so glad to be spending my afternoon here. This has been a perfectly relaxing day.